Many people perceive gold investing as something reserved for the wealthy, the financially savvy, or those who already have a substantial portfolio to diversify. The idea of starting a gold portfolio from scratch can seem daunting, filled with perceived barriers and mental roadblocks that prevent individuals from even taking the first step. These barriers lead to people not achieving the success they want. Common thoughts like, "I can't afford it," "What if it crashes?" and "I'm already too late to the party," often sabotage any potential momentum before it even begins. This narrative changes today. The secret lies not just in the mechanics of buying and selling gold, but in fundamentally shifting your mindset and retraining your brain to view gold not as an expense or a luxury, but as a wealth-building habit, a store of long-term value, and a tool for financial security. Wealth starts with the right mindset. Welcome back to the Gold Protocol. Today we're tackling a topic that is both practical and deeply personal. From $0 to gold portfolio, the mindset shift that actually works. This episode is based on a journey that began with 0 gold holdings and a whole host of limiting beliefs. I documented every mindset block I encountered along the way, from the pervasive "I can't afford it" to the anxiety-inducing "what if it crashes?" and the regretful "I'm too late to the game." Drawing on principles from the fascinating field of neuroeconomics, I developed a system for retraining my brain to see gold not as an unaffordable expense, but as a foundational wealth habit, an essential component of long-term financial stability. Get ready to learn how to shift your thinking about wealth building. You will see the exact thought patterns I changed, the comprehensive 30-day mental protocol I implemented, and the surprising way my net worth mindset shifted, all after buying just a single gram of gold. This journey is here to inspire you to start building wealth. It is essential to change your wealth mindset and start the process of wealth building. The myth of the gold investor. One of the biggest roadblocks to starting a gold portfolio is the pervasive myth of the gold investor persona. Many people envision gold investors as wealthy individuals in pinstripe suits, poring over financial charts in mahogany-paneled offices. This image creates a sense of otherness, making gold investing seem inaccessible to the average person with limited capital. It's time to break down these preconceived notions and recognize that anyone, regardless of their current financial situation, can become a gold investor. Identifying your limiting beliefs, the mental audit. Before you can begin to shift your mindset about gold, it's crucial to identify the specific limiting beliefs that are holding you back. These beliefs are often deeply ingrained, operating beneath the surface of your conscious awareness. Perform a mental audit and make a list of negative thoughts and assumptions that come to mind when you think about gold investing. Here are some common examples. "I can't afford it." This is perhaps the most common limiting belief, stemming from the perception that gold is an expensive asset. "What if the price crashes?" This fear is rooted in the volatility of financial markets and the potential for loss. "I'm too late to the game." This belief assumes that the golden age of gold investing has already passed. "I don't know enough about it." This lack of knowledge can create a sense of uncertainty and intimidation. "It's too complicated." The world of finance can seem overwhelming and inaccessible to newcomers. The neuroeconomics solution: rewiring your brain for wealth. Neuroeconomics is a fascinating field that combines neuroscience, psychology, and economics to understand how our brains make financial decisions. By understanding the neurological processes that drive our behavior, we can develop strategies for rewiring our brains to make more rational and wealth-building choices. Replace limiting beliefs with empowering ones. The first step is to consciously challenge your limiting beliefs and replace them with more empowering and positive affirmations. For example, instead of thinking, "I can't afford it," try thinking, "I can find ways to make gold investing affordable." Success. Visualization is a powerful tool for rewiring your brain. Spend a few minutes each day visualizing yourself successfully building your gold portfolio, experiencing the positive emotions associated with financial security. The 30-day mental protocol, a daily dose of wealth building. To solidify your mindset shift, Implement a 30-day mental protocol that incorporates the principles of neuroeconomics. This protocol should be followed consistently each day, creating new neural pathways and reinforcing your positive beliefs about gold. Morning affirmations. Start each day by reciting your empowering affirmations about gold. Educational reading. Read articles or books about gold investing, expanding your knowledge and building your confidence. Be mindful of your spending habits throughout the day, identifying opportunities to save money that can be channeled into your gold portfolio. The turning point. The power of a single gram. One of the most surprising discoveries of this journey was the profound impact of buying just a single gram of gold. This small act, seemingly insignificant, triggered a significant shift in my net worth mindset. Suddenly, gold was no longer an abstract concept, but a tangible asset that I owned and controlled. This sense of ownership created a powerful sense of empowerment and motivation, fueling my desire to continue building my gold portfolio. From $0 to sustainable wealth. The long-term vision. The goal is not just to accumulate gold, but to build sustainable wealth and financial security for the long term. Gold should be viewed as one component of a well-diversified portfolio, working alongside other assets to achieve your financial goals. To embark on your own journey from $0 to gold portfolio, subscribe to The Gold Protocol. Thanks for watching.